Guys, today I'm super excited to be unboxing my first smartwatch that I got from Jumia. I'll put the links in the description if you want to check it out, and let me know in the comment section. This is my first time unboxing a product, so let me know how I did. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the whole product that I got from Jumia. This is the box that it contains. It contains a smartwatch, I presume. Okay, so I have my razor blade over here, and I'm going to cut this into pieces. So this is the whole thing. Okay, I don't know what we have here, but I think this is a customer return copy or something like that. Let me put it over here. And this is the whole thing that we have here. So you have this smartwatch, and that's it. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so it comes with a smartwatch over here. Wow. Okay, it's cool. I think I like it. And then it comes with a cable that I will use to charge the smartwatch. I think this is cool. It is just 65 Ghana cedis, and it's cool. So I'll be trying this for a few times, and then in about 3 days time I'll be doing a full review. So let me know in the comment section if you like to see the full review on this. Plus it comes with I think this is for a wireless Bluetooth. Wow, this is cool. Yeah, this is cool, you know. It comes with a wireless Bluetooth set. Alright, so I think this battery is very low. Let me try to open it. Alright, so it comes with a 380 amps battery, and the charging voltage is 4.2. Yeah, so I think the battery is very low, so I'll get it charged, and then I'll do a full review plus the Bluetooth headset or the wireless Bluetooth headset attached to it, and I will let you know of all the details in it. So let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see the full review on this particular smartwatch, and that will be all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another video. Innocent here. Bye.